Hello, welcome to Gareth Goes. Today you join me and my good friend Steve. We're going to travel back in time 5,000 years to a Neolithic tomb here in Minninglow Hill. We're also going to take a walk along an old railway track bed, see some fantastic railway embankments, and also, as an added bonus, there's the Why Not Festival. You can probably hear it in the background.
We had no idea as we left home that our journey wouldn't go quite as planned.
We're 2.7 miles away and in a huge traffic jam. Unfortunately adding 28 minutes to our journey. Don't know what it is, hopefully it's nothing terrible.
The traffic crawled and crawled.
Well, we've been sat in traffic now for almost an hour. I think we've probably moved about half a kilometre, if that. It looks like we've chosen the wrong day. It looks like it's the Why Not Festival, we're assuming, and that's why all this traffic is all meeting up together. So we've now been sat in the traffic for 1 hour and 23 minutes, and in the background here you can see the Why Not Festival, and just over there is the car park for the festival. It's not the car park we're heading to, so fingers crossed our car park won't be full and we can carry on with our adventure.
It turned out that was a small portion of the site. It was huge. Once we were past the car park entrance, it was a doddle.
We finally made it to the Minninglow car park. You can probably hear the festival music behind us. We had to go through several security checks in order to get here. Finally, somebody let us come through and get to the car park. Let's get on to Minninglow.
Start by swaying that way first. Wait for it.
So there you can see in the distance, Minninglow Hill. Chips and beans. Just a little note about the car park. Paying is not very easy. We tried to pay about 15 times with the machine and every time it was cancelled. So we're going to do our best to pay later, and hopefully we won't get into trouble. Anyway, as you can see, it's beautiful sunshine today, and you can probably hear the hubbub of the festival behind us. I remember from when I've been here before that it's a popular cycling route. So there you can see Minninglow Hill straight ahead on the top of the hill there. We're going to follow this railway track bed, the old Cromford and High Peak Railway. We're going to cross that other embankment, which you can probably see just over on the right there. And then we're going to go past Minninglow and come from the other side. And then we'll come back this way, back towards the Why Not Festival. Why not? Here we are at the quarry and a cutting. Presumably they used the rock that they cut out of here to make the embankment, which we'll be crossing shortly. Some old quarry equipment. You can see the quarry in the background there. It's looking really nice in the sun. Came here before about 18 months ago and the weather was not particularly nice, very windy. So we're going round the side of Minninglow now. You can see it just over there. And then we'll go up the hill and go and explore Minninglow before heading back. So a lot of today's video is all about stone. The embankments were built in around 1825 with local stone, and at Minninglow we've got a Neolithic tomb built with local stone. Cheers, mate. Right, it's quite a steep climb now, and I think for the first time I can't actually hear the festival anymore. We're here, Minninglow Hill. Let's take a look around. Right, we're going to head back down the other side of the hill now, back towards the festival, back towards our car. And we're down from Minninglow and back onto the railway track bed. I'm going to say goodbye now. If you've enjoyed my adventure today with Steve and Heidi, then please like and subscribe. Make sure you ding that bell for notifications. I'll be going off to Greece again soon, so if you've been enjoying those videos, don't worry, there'll be a whole load of new ones coming up very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.